You've set up your 3-account rule. You're automating your investments. You feel like you're finally winning at finance. But then, life happens. A car breakdown, a sudden medical bill, or an unexpected layoff. Listen closely. If you don't have this one specific pillar, every single dollar you've invested is at risk. Today, we are talking about the secret to ensuring your wealth plan never collapses: the emergency fund. Most people fail at the 3-account rule because they make one fatal mistake. They use their investment account as a piggy bank for emergencies. When you pull money out of your investments to pay for a broken radiator, you're not just losing cash, you're losing compounding interest. You're essentially killing your future self's wealth to pay for your present self's problems. It's a vicious cycle, and it stops your growth dead in its tracks. So how much do you actually need? Financial gurus love the 3 to 6 month rule. But let's be practical. If you have a stable job, 3 months of essential living expenses is your floor. If you're a freelancer, you need 6 months. This isn't lazy money sitting in a vault. No, this is your freedom insurance. It's the money that gives you the power to say no to a toxic job or yes to a better opportunity. Now, where should you keep it? Don't keep this in your primary checking account. You'll spend it. Don't keep it under your mattress. Inflation will eat it alive. You need a high-yield savings account. It's separate, it's liquid, and it earns you interest. Your 3-account rule handles your growth. Your emergency fund handles your stability. You can't have one without the other. If you haven't started your emergency fund yet, here is your homework. Move just $500 into a separate account today. Start small, but build that wall. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe to Veridian Capital. We build systems that make your money work for you. I'll see you in the next one.